High School 2.0 really gets the community with a lot of education because we have a lot of different specialties that are offered here, especially at North Star, like mental health and robotics or things that you just might be interested and passionate about. They give the community that may be underfunded on the outside with an outlet to be able to be comfortable in exploring your passions.
It's a good opportunity. We get the time, like during our school time, to go and do stuff we're passionate about.
Grassroots has allowed me to do multiple things like flame blowing, flame working. I've been able to make necklaces, earrings, bowls, cups, perfume bottles, and my innovativity just increased being in this project overall.
So seeing everybody do what they're happy about doing, stuff that I don't even know how to do, it makes me want to learn. And people see what I do and they're happy to do it, makes me happy. Like they want to learn to see what they can do too. So this makes me